Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will explain about grammatical and lexical cohesion. Grammatical is one of the important aspects in language that deal with how grammatical elements in a text are connected to each other to create a unity of meaning. These are the ways in which grammatical structure are using to connect part of the text so that the text is easy to understand and flow smoothly. Lexical cohesion is the way words and phrases in a text relate to each other to create unity of meaning, not through grammatical structure, but through the sense of the right words. It involves the repetition of words, the use of synonyms, hyponyms, antonyms, collections, and redirection of words. With lexical cohesion help to create semantics in the text, make it easier for the reader to understand the relationship between ideas and reinforce the time or message to be conveyed. There are two main types of cohesions. It is the linkage achieved through the use of grammatical elements such as reference, substitutions, ellipses, conjunctions, and conference. In easy grammatical cohesions focus on how the structure of the language connection the part of the text. The reference using pronouns or nouns to refer to virtual mention words or phrases. Example: the car is red. It is very fast. Substitutions is the replacement of language elements, word, phrase, of clause with another element to avoid unnecessary repetition and create coherence in the text. This is one way to make text more efficient and easier to read. Ellipsis is the omission of language elements, word, phrase, or clauses that are actually necessary for grammatical completeness but can be understood. For the context, it is a way to make text more concise and avoid unnecessary repetitions. And conjunction are words or phrases that connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Conjunction play an important role in creating logical and semantic relationships between parts of a text. They are one of the main ways to show how idioms relate to each other. Interaction is the repetition of lexical elements, words or phrases in a text to create cohesion. It is a way to emphasize key ideas and minds focus on a particular topic. Iteration is an effective tool for creating cohesion and emphasizing important ideas in a text. However, it is important to us iteration wisely so as not to make the text sound repetition or boring. Reiteration we can improve our ability to writing coherent and effective text. Collocation is very important in language learning, especially to achieve fluency and accessory. The use of apparatus collection help writing and or speaker sound more natural and competent in the language. Collocation we can improve our ability to using language more appropriately and natural. With this, I end my presentation. Hopefully, the information I have conveyed can provide benefits for all of us. I hope this presentation have provided a clear picture of the topic I discussed. Thank you for your time and attention.